Good morning, Parky Pandas.
This is Sophia.
And this is Nolan.
Today we're going to talk about a certain type of snake, the ball python. I have 25 of these snakes at my house.
The ball python gets its name because it rolls into a ball to hide and protect its head when it's scared or stressed. These snakes are shy creatures and are easily spooked.
Ball pythons are also known as royal pythons since it is believed that ancient African tribal leaders would wear the snakes around their necks like jewelry. That's quite a big necklace, since female adult ball pythons can be up to 5 feet long.
That's crazy. I wouldn't want to wear a live snake around my neck. Ball pythons live in grasslands and forests. The color of their skin allows them to blend into their environment.
Ball pythons mostly feed on birds and rodents. They are considered a friend to farmers since they serve as important pest controllers in many rural communities.
These snakes don't use venom in their fangs to kill their prey. Pythons are constrictors, meaning they kill their prey by coiling it and squeezing it.
They shed their skin every 6 to 8 weeks to reveal a new skin underneath. They are also excellent swimmers and have the ability to pump air inside their bodies so they won't sink in the water.
In the wild, ball pythons spend the daytime in holes. They leave their burrows and holes at night to hunt, climb trees, and explore. Have a wonderful Wednesday, Parky Pandas.
We're signing off from the PNN News. Now let's all stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Bye.